everybody, Gun Dimpar here again. Today is March 4th, and I just pulled this one out for the next victim. I've got it marked down as having bad crankshaft bearings, so I just fired it up to verify that and see what else might need to be done. I want to give you a little quick show on the way this motor sounds. It sounds absolutely horrific. The stop button's acting up on it. Oh, choked it. It sounds really bad. It's real scrapey, growly, not happy. So I think I might go ahead and just replace the crankshaft in it. Either that or I'm just going to replace the power head. Anyway, let's get started on it video. Okay, this motor's torn down right now. Got it on the bench here. We do have rust inside the engine, so I'm guessing one of the bearings are bad. So we're going to do this crankshaft replacement on it. I got to pull another power head apart in order to find the good crankshaft. Anyway, that's where that's at. Okay, we got it apart, cleaned up for the most part. Yeah, we're gonna start putting it together. The motor I salvaged the crankshaft out of came from another mechanic that decided that running these things on ether is no problem. So that's the piston out of the engine I salvaged the crankshaft out of. I'm not in a big hurry for sending it out for an overbore on the other one, but the block is okay. It just needs an overbore. So that's where it's at. Okay, the new used crankshaft is installed. I gotta seal the block halves. I use an anaerobic sealant. And I will continue putting this back together. I'm not sure if I'll get this motor running today or not. I still gotta do the gear case, water pump, rebuild the carburetor on it. But there's the progress. We are well on our way of reassembly. Power head's all back together. Still got to do a carburetor rebuild, reseal the gear case and a water pump. But it's going back together. Getting there. Okay, we are all back together. We got a fresh carb kit in it. We got a new water pump in it. We got a new shift rod seal in it. Got new spark plugs in it. We should be ready for a fire up. Start it up, see how it sounds. Hopefully it's quiet now. And it's all serviced. All right, let me get her in the tank. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours now, just under it since the last time this motor ran. So this will be the very first attempt to start it. Since replacing the crankshaft, rebuilding the carburetor, doing the water pump, yada yada yada. So hopefully it's a lot quieter. Pump up the fuel, choke, see some throttle into it, see what happens. Carb's gonna need to be adjusted and everything. Sounds a lot better. Here, warm up a little bit. It's a 1994 model here. half-hour runtime on it. And I'll fog it, put another rack, and keep going on the next one. Much better.